Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Cam Jennings, aka Zero Fats, coming at you on behalf of 30daysToMoney.com as well as AdventuresOnTheRiver.com. I hope everybody's doing awesome out there. I get this question from time to time about legal pages. Like, dude, how do you do your legal pages? Um, because the thing is, like, when you do websites that make money, you're creating websites that are set to make money. Um, you gotta have legal pages. That's just all there is to it. Like this disclaimer page, privacy, TOS. These pages are, I mean, you gotta have them. Like according to the federal government, you actually have to have them. It's important. So, I used to take a long time getting these stupid things done, man. I have to pay someone to do them, or I'd have to, spend all day trying to figure it out myself, how to do it, from templates and all this other junk. I don't do that anymore. On my last launch on the Group Giants thing, and on the last few things I've done, I found a really cool piece of software called just like Legal Pages, Instant Legal Pages. And this is the software that I use to do my legal pages. It makes it really easy. And I'm going to show you guys now how I do my legal pages. Because here's 30 Days to Money. I need legal pages on this website. I plan on using this to make money. I need legal pages on it. Okay, as you can see down here at the bottom, right now it just says copyright 2016 30daysToMoney.com. It has an about me. Well, I want something down here that says legal pages. Okay, and then they can click on legal pages and then they can see all my legal pages for this website. That's what I want, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is I opened up Legal Pages Generator. Pretty cool program. You know what? This is available to all the AdventuresOnTheRiver.com members, all the AOTR insiders. This software is already available for them. I want to make it available for you guys too, though, just so you can use it. It's very helpful. It'll speed up your process greatly. The problem is I can't give it to you for free because my license, I got private label rights license on this, but my license dictates I can't give it for free. So I have to charge money to give this to you. So if I didn't have to charge money, I wouldn't. I do it in exchange for an email to help build my list, but I can't. I got to charge money for this in order to give it to you. So if I remember, I'll put a link to this where you can pick it up for like $10 or something small. It's just a piece of software that's going to help you. So anyways, let's get on with it. Let me show you what I do. Okay, so the first thing is enter your business name. 30daysToMoney.com. And this is so easy. I love this program. Enter email address for all queries of your legal pages, camjenningspro@gmail.com. Right? Enter your postal address. So P.O. Box 676, Springfield, Ohio 45501. Right? Pretty cool. What country governs the law for your site? United States. All right. And then we're gonna put it. We're gonna make a new folder. Okay. We're gonna call it legal. Let's put it on the legal pages. 30 days. We'll just put it like that. And then it creates my legal pages for me. And what it does is it okay, so here's my legal pages, right? And what it does is it creates HTML versions, so you can just upload these pages directly to your website if you want to. Like if you want to upload it like via like your file manager from your hosting company. But if you're like me and you don't like messing with all that crazy stuff, you just like doing it, from WordPress dashboard. They also provide the plain text versions of those legal pages. So that's what we're going to use now. We're going to use these plain text versions, and we're going to get our legal pages squared away for 30daysToMoney.com. So here's what we do. We're going to go to our dashboard. This is a real easy process. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to create a few pages, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to add a new page. This is going to be called legal pages. Okay, I'm going to publish it. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to copyright notice, earnings disclaimer. We're going to put these in here, just the titles, right? Okay. Copyright notice, earnings disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and conditions. And then whatever that last one was, website disclaimer. Alright, very cool. Alright, what I want to do is I want to make these a little bit bigger, make it like a heading 3. We're going to center them, okay? You don't have to do that. I just do that, you know. It's not a necessity to like make them bigger and center them. The main thing is they're there, okay? So now we got that. We got that legal pages. What we're going to do now is we're going to make some more pages. We're going to make a page for each one of those things. So we got 5 of them to make. So we're going to open this in a new tab. We're going to add new and a new tab. Okay, and the first one we're going to do is this copyright notice, okay? Okay. So, copyright notice. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to open up the copyright notice, okay? There's our copyright notice. Simple little text document. And look, I want to show you something real quick. No, you know what? Let's just go ahead and publish these, and I'll show you at the end what to do, okay? You see, like this copyright notice right here? What we're going to do is I want to show you something. Let me show you something because I want you to see why we're doing it. Okay, this right here, we want the parent to be legal pages, but I want to show you why we're doing it. Okay, so let's go over here to visit site, and we're going to open this in a new window. Now what we've done is we just created a legal pages page, and we've created a copyright notice page so far. And if you look at the bottom, you see they're all forming down here in our footer. We don't want that. So what happens is every time we create another page, it's going to be down here in our footer. Pretty soon we're going to have 2 or 3, you know, 2 or 3 lines of pages down here. We don't want that. Okay, that's not what we want. We just want legal pages and about me. We want this copyright notice to not be in our footer. We just want people to be able to click on legal pages and then see the copyright notice. Okay, so cool. And I'll show you what I mean when we're done. But what we're going to do is to get that, what we're going to do is this copyright notice, we want it to have a parent page. We want legal pages to be the parent page, okay? So we're going to update that. All right, very cool. And then we come back over here. Let's reload this so I can show you what it looks like now. And now you can see it's gone, right? It's just legal pages. All right, and when you click on legal pages, I'm going to click on legal pages. You see there's our legal pages right there. Now they're not linked to anything yet, but we're going to take care of that. Okay. So cool. We got the copyright notice thing done. We're going to add a new one. The new one we're going to be adding is the earnings disclaimer. Okay. We're adding a new one. This is earnings disclaimer. Okay. Let's open up earnings disclaimer. Just cut and paste this. Boom. Our parent, we're going to make that legal pages too. I'm going to go ahead and publish that. Alright, we're going to add a new. This one's going to be privacy policy. Make sure you get it all. Some of them are kind of long. Now, when you're putting these legal pages on there, just remember you want to read over them. Make sure they apply to your website. Okay, especially like copyright policy and stuff. Because I'll show you on the copyright policy real quick. This right here. Let's go ahead and make that legal pages, parent legal pages. Okay. I'll show you at the end real quick on the with the copyright policy. Let's go ahead and add another one. There's our privacy policy. It's great. This can be our terms and conditions. Alright, make our parent legal pages. Alright. Really, really simple, man. I spent so much time messing with these dumb legal pages before. I swear. Now you can see we've been doing this for about 10 minutes now. Alright, and I'm almost freaking done. I'm telling you, man. It's just, you know, there's just no easy way to say that's a giant waste of time. Okay, this is going to be a website disclaimer. You know, unless you're a lawyer, I don't suggest wasting too much time on something like this, honestly. So, alright, cool. So, that's all of them. Alright. I wouldn't worry too much about SEO when it comes to your legal pages. I wouldn't worry too much about that. Alright. So, very, very cool. Now let's take a look. We reload this. Alright. Now I'm not going to click on this just yet because I want to go back in here and do something else. We got these done. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and go back over here to our legal pages. And we want to go ahead and link them. So copyright notice is going to link to copyright notice, right? Because we created those pages just now, so now we want to link them to our legal pages page. This is what people are going to click on at the bottom, and they're going to go and they're going to see these 5 links. So this is earnings disclaimer, right? Pretty cool. Privacy policy. Terms and conditions. Website disclaimer. Now look, guys, you know, it might not seem fun and it might seem a little boring to set this stuff up, but I think, you know, man, maybe this would look better if I just put this over here. Okay, so cool. So there's that. It might, like I said, it might seem boring and it might not seem fun, but if you're going to sell things online and you're going to have websites that make money for you, you need some legal pages. That's all there is to it. You need them. So, you know, you get them done as fast as possible so that way you are compliant, right? Okay, there's the legal pages, right? Now let's look at this one real quick. Copyright notice, okay? Now look, this website and this content's copyright of 30daystomoney.com, great. Copyright 30daystomoney.com 2016, all rights reserved. Any redistribution or reproduction of part or all of the contents in any form is prohibited other than the following. Now, like, here's where you might set some different terms, okay? So, you know, when it comes to this software, make sure you go into each one and make sure it's compliant with what you want. Like, this says you may copy the content to individual third parties for their personal use, but only if you acknowledge the website as the source of the material. Now, that's there so people can share your website content on other websites, right? So they can link and share. You might not want that if you have an information product. So you might want to, like, just modify your copyright notice a little bit. That's the main thing I've found with this one. So anyways, there's that. Okay, so now here we are. Let's reload the home page here. Here we are. Now we got our legal pages on 30 Days to Money. We click on that, legal pages, and boom, there they all are. And it's as simple as that, you guys. And we're a legal beagle. So anyways, if you guys think this software would help you out, I'm going to put a link to it right here in this video. Also, I'll put a link in the description. I know it saves me a ton of time. I really, really appreciate the software. And like I said, it's available to AdventuresOnTheRiver.com members, but I wanted to make it available for other people who could use it. So anyways, hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like, please share, please subscribe. Appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, everybody.